Hi, I'm Joan and you're watching ZERITE Experience. I was in employment for 6 years. During my employment, there's this business I started of selling health products, which was doing so well. I did it like 3 months, and it was doing so well. And I said, what if I give it more time and more effort? What would I get? So I decided to quit my job and concentrate on it, which I did. And after quitting my job, I realized that I don't have so many customers. I don't have so many clients because the products were a bit expensive, so not everybody could afford them. And now I was getting this challenge. I got this challenge of finances. Now the money I was getting was not enough now, because then I had the salary and the money from the business, but now it's only the business money. So I thought of changing the business to something else. And okay, I have a passion with the beautiful things, beautiful stuff in the house, decorations and all that. So I said, what if I start a house decoration business? So I said, let me give it a try. Okay, with the savings I had, with the little savings I had from my previous business, from the health product business, and from my previous employment, I decided to buy some few products for house decoration. I started with my own house. I started decorating my house, buying new curtains, carpets and all that, these throw pillow covers. And I thought, why not move into now this new business of selling house decoration? So now I started this new business, house decoration. I opened a shop and I started with my friends. I started introducing the business to my friends, word of mouth, selling to my friends. And how I got my customers, the walk-in customers, the referrals from my friends. I started marketing myself in social medias. I opened a page in Facebook. Yeah. And now the customers started flowing. I started getting customers from everywhere. How I market myself? I market myself through social media, Facebook, WhatsApp status. There's this Gigi Pay, Gigi what? What's the name of that thing? Gigi what? I think it's Gigi something I have there. Through Facebook, WhatsApp status, Gigi, Instagram. Yeah, that's where I market myself. My typical day, this is how I start my day. When I wake up, I go through my social page, Facebook. I check the adverts that I posted earlier. I check whether I have orders. I go through my WhatsApp, check whether I have any calls, any orders. I also check what is new in the market. I check my competitors, what they are doing, what different thing they are doing from me. Yeah, to keep up with the market. And after that, I go to my shop. I open my shop. If I have anything I need to add to the shop, I go to the market and add. Okay, I have a girl at the shop, so I'll leave someone at the shop, then I'll go buy new stuff if need be. And I also put more adverts in the social media marketing. Every day I market my stuff. Every day I market my products. My most satisfying business moment is when I get feedbacks from my clients, good feedbacks. Sa ile customer amebambika na product, amempelekea kitu, ameweka, amepiga picha, amenitumia, amefurahi. I feel good. Ama when my day is good, when I make big sales. Satisfying. The fact that I'm my boss, my own boss. I manage myself. If I want to sleep, I sleep. Yeah, it feels good to be your own boss. You manage yourself. You know, when I was employed, kuna time ya kuingia, time ya kutoka, huwezi ongea na simu, sijui nini, all that. Now I can do whatever I want to do. If I want to maximize on my, my returns, I know what to do. Nafaa work hard hapa, nafaa kufanya nini. Basically, it's just managing myself. I never used to be a patient person. I was very impatient. I used to get angry so fast. But now that I get to meet so many people with different characters, different attitudes, unapata na customer amekuja kwako amejam, ujue amejam nini, anataka kubuy kitu, unamuongelesha poa na kuongelesha virude. Now because you want to sell, you have to be patient with the customer. You have to be nice to her, talk nicely. Unakalia tu ngumu kasiriko yako, but at the end of the day, customer ametoka umesham please, because you need a customer tomorrow. So it has taught me to be patient. It has also taught me to manage my finances. When I was employed, I never used to, I was so bad. I was misusing money. Nilikuwa mse wa impulse. Nilikuwa nanunua kitu yote najisikia. Sikuwa na plan. But right now, because leo naweza pata hiyo location nikose, nimejua kumanage pesa zangu. Financial management, it has taught me how to manage my finances. Yes. Okay, if you want to start your business, first of all, identify what you want to do. Do proper research on it. And kuna wale watu watakudiscourage. There are those people who will discourage you, the dream killers. They'll tell you, no, that one won't work and all that. So you take what you can take. What you can't take, achana nayo. Usisikizange, negative advices. If you think that is what you want, do your research. If you're okay with it, go ahead and do the business. Yeah, and start small. Usingoje ati uko na pesa mingi ndo uanze biashara. You can start small. Like me, I started small. You start small. Whatever amount you have, just buy. Kama ni gari unataka kuuza, si lazima ununue gari yako ndo uanze kuuza gari. You can start selling maybe your uncle's car. You advertise the car, sell it. That is a business. You're building a business. You can start from somewhere. So don't be discouraged. What you want to do, go for it.